Can't sign into your Google account on your smart TV? Here are the most effective ways to fix it in 2026. This error is often caused by simple settings mismatches. Let's start with your internet connection. First, ensure your internet is stable. Disconnecting and reconnecting your TV to Wi-Fi can often refresh the connection. Next, check your TV's system clock. If the date or time is incorrect, Google's security servers will automatically reject your login. Make sure automatic date and time is enabled in your system settings to avoid this common security block. If that doesn't work, try signing in using your phone. It's much faster and avoids errors with the TV's on-screen keyboard. Go to google.com/device on your phone and enter the code displayed on your TV screen to link your account. Also, ensure your TV's firmware is up to date. Manufacturers often release patches specifically to fix app authentication issues. Finally, check your Google account security activity online. You may need to manually unblock your TV if it was flagged as a new device. I hope these tips helped you get back to your favorite shows. Like and subscribe for more tech troubleshooting.